Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So I'm back with another case unboxing, and this time I got the Spigen Neo Hybrid for the Samsung Galaxy S21. So I'm gonna have a couple more videos posted about the Spigen cases because I do have a couple more still arriving, and I do have some on hand for the Samsung Galaxy S21 for the people that are wondering what the Spigen cases are like and can't decide on which one they want to buy because there's around 6 cases, I believe. So that's why I'm posting these short videos of unboxings for these Spigen cases for the S21, and in the end I'll probably post a video with all of them together, just comparing them and seeing which one is the best for you and which one is best fitted for you for your needs as well. So let us begin. So we have the Spigen logo, something you want for your Samsung Galaxy S21 Neo Hybrid. So I have the Neo Hybrid here. I did unbox the other case, the thin fit, I believe, and this is going to be the second one that I'm unboxing. So let us begin. Classic Spigen cases, Spigen boxes, I guess. Nothing special. The pull tab, and then we have this little plastic bag that we take the case out of. So let's put this to the side. So let's go ahead and check out our case real quick. So it does have this pretty nice finish. It's like, it looks metallic, but it's not on the edges. I'm pretty sure this is called like the gunmetal variant or something like that. That's what I got. It's had gunmetal. It just, I guess, it has like this metal finish, which isn't metal though, it's plastic. So it has this little texture as well on the back. Makes that weird sound when you scratch on it. And then we have our camera lifted up over there. We have our camera edge and stuff. So let's go ahead and put in the phone real quick. I have my S21 right here. Just put that in. So it's in there pretty good. This will not fall out for sure. It's definitely in there. It's stuck in there, and it's probably going to be a little harder to take the case off as well, but that's okay. You probably don't take off your case too much. So overall, the case looks pretty nice. The design does look good, but I wouldn't personally get it. This isn't the one that I would get because I just sometimes don't get why Spigen, they just add like this weird design at the end, or like the top, like the one with the carbon fiber, and then they just leave it at that. If they added like something else to this, it would have been nice, but them just putting this right here, I feel like this ruins it. If this wasn't here and it continued the pattern right here, I bet it would look better, and that's the reason I wouldn't get this personally. But the case is still pretty good. It is durable. It'll keep your phone inside there, and your phone will probably be safe from falls. This will probably protect it better than the Spigen thin fit case for the S21 or any device, I guess. So if you want something with a little more protection, you definitely go for this one right here. And it does have this nice design back here other than this part right here. So let's go ahead and check out our camera. So it does lift over the edge. So your camera is perfectly fine in there. It's safe. Your flash is safe as well. And then your buttons. Let's go ahead and test out the buttons real quick. Okay, so the buttons are perfectly clickable. There's no issue with that. It doesn't make it harder or whatnot, so that's pretty good. Also, the edges raised as well. Let me go ahead and do this so it can focus better. The edges are raised up from your screen, and then if you can see, we have the speaker hole right there. Since the speaker grill on the S21 is like really thin, at first I thought it didn't have one when I first unboxed it. I did know there was one, but it just looks like it doesn't have one. And that's why Spigen has implemented this really cool design, which like goes above it, but then it like leaves like a little gap so the sound can still go through and you'll still be able to hear your stuff, but the case will still look nice, and it'll just look, I guess, straight on all the edges, and it won't like go up or whatnot. So that looks pretty nice. Overall, the design is really good. The grip, it's pretty nice. These edges are a little slippery, just a tad bit. The Spigen thin fit did have a better finish on the edges, so you could grip it better, but the grip on this is still really good, and it won't just randomly fall out of your hand, and you won't really necessarily drop it anyways. So overall, my take on this case, personally, I wouldn't get it. As I said, I know I'm repeating myself, but I'm just trying to make it clear that I wouldn't get this case. But if there are people that like the design, then the case is perfect for you. The only reason I wouldn't get it is because of that design. Other than that, everything else is perfect about this case, and it's pretty good. It doesn't have too much bulk. It's a little bulkier than the Spigen thin fit, but you won't notice it at all, especially with the S21. Since the phone is already pretty small, it's 6.2 inches, you probably won't notice too big of a difference. And personally, I didn't either. Other than maybe a tad bit, but not too big of a difference. So that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.